Hitting the $1 million mark in your retirement account feels like winning the ultimate financial trophy. You probably imagine first-class flights and hiring someone to handle life's minor inconveniences. But before you go shopping for a yacht, we need to talk about why that $1 million bubble might burst faster than a cheap pool float. The harsh reality is that $1 million today simply isn't what it was for your grandfather. Unless you want your golden years to consist of generic cereal and free TV, we need to adjust your expectations. I'm Steve, and I help people navigate the confusing world of retirement planning. Today we're answering one crucial question: how much income can a $1 million nest egg actually generate? The fantasy versus the math. Many people think they'll just live off whatever their investments earn each year. If the market jumps 12%, that's $120,000 to spend, right? Unfortunately, the stock market doesn't hand out steady paychecks. One year you're up 25% and feel like a genius. The next, your portfolio drops 10%, and you're wondering if you should have hidden your cash under a mattress. In 2018, for example, negative returns left many investors in total disbelief. Then there's inflation, the sneaky pickpocket working behind the scenes. It quietly eats your purchasing power. That candy bar that used to cost 50 cents now costs $2. Your $1 million will buy significantly less 20 years from now than it does today. The golden rule, the 4% rule. To solve this, financial experts use the 4% withdrawal rule. It's not a random number. It's based on decades of market data designed to make your money last for 30 years. Year 1, you withdraw 4% of your $1 million, which is $40,000. Subsequent years, you adjust that $40,000 upward to keep pace with inflation. Portfolio mix. This rule assumes a 50-50 split between stocks and bonds. While some advisors suggest a conservative 3%, $30,000 per year, or a risky 5%, $50,000 per year, 4% remains the industry standard for a comfortable middle-class retirement. The survival toolkit: Social Security and taxes. If $40,000 sounds tight, remember that you likely have Social Security as a foundation. Individual income. The average benefit is about $1,800 per month, adding roughly $21,600 to your annual total. Total income. Combined with your 4% withdrawal, you're looking at $61,600 per year. Married couples. If both spouses receive benefits, that income can climb to $83,000 or more. However, the tax man still wants his cut. If your money is in a traditional 401k, every withdrawal is taxed as ordinary income. If you have a Roth IRA, those withdrawals are tax-free because you paid the taxes up front. The hidden retirement killers. Even with $1 million, 3 things can derail your plan. Sequence of returns risk. If the market crashes right after you retire, like in 2008, you're forced to sell investments at their lowest point. Many retirees keep a cash buffer of several years of expenses to avoid this double whammy. Geographic location. $60,000 feels luxurious in some states but barely covers the basics in others due to varying taxes and costs of living. Healthcare. Medicare doesn't cover everything. Nursing home care can exceed $100,000 per year, and expenses for dental or long-term care tend to increase as you age. Final reality check. A $1 million retirement isn't exactly yacht money, but it certainly isn't cat food money either. It's about flexibility. It gives you the cushion to handle a major home repair or a medical issue without panicking. The key is to start planning now and stay realistic about what your money can do. If this breakdown helped clear things up, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.